In this video, I'm going to show you why you should not believe in passive income, and I'm going to give you exactly my opinion what to do about it. Hey everyone, Giaro here, and on this channel I help content creators create a business around their passion and their expertise. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So with that being said, there is like we all stumble across this passive income idea, and mostly because all of the online entrepreneurs basically wrote or read the 4-hour work week book, right? So the thing is that it's extremely sexy, it's extremely appealing on basically creating a business that just generates cash on autopilot. This is what we all want, right? But the thing is that I don't actually agree with that. And after being in this game for almost 10 years, I wanted to share you what I actually believe. So this whole concept of passive income, basically it boils down to one simple thing. So if you want to make it passive, which means that you don't want to be active in actually generating like the income, right? So the thing is that why would you actually try to make something passive and actually don't work if you enjoy it? So because the thing is, okay, once you've got the money just coming in, what are you going to do every day? So if you're a workaholic like me, and if you actually like and love what you're doing, then there is no point that you actually want to do it, because even though like you have the money coming in, you're still going. For an example, I'm really passionate about like creating content, right? So I'm still going to do. I'm not saying that I'm doing this 24 hours a day. I'm just saying that why would I want to make it passive? Right? So why do I want actually to take all my tasks, try to compress them and do everything, let's say, in one day, and then be having like 6 days off, and then just having like to just restart the engine every week or so? So this is why, in my opinion, it's not the right mindset to have, right? So the real question that you have to ask yourself, if you really enjoy something, if you really enjoy the process, and if you love the task, then there is actually no way for, and actually no actual benefit to try to make it passive. Okay? So the thing is that why won't you continue just making this an active income? For that, you only have to work, as an example, 1 hour per day. And this is like not something clickbaited. This is actually something that I'm doing. So inside my business, and this is also what I teach inside my newsletter, is that you don't actually need more than 1 hour per day. And it would be lying to you telling you that every day I'm just working one single hour. Most of the time, it's more than that. But the thing is that the essential part of my business is actually done in 1 hour per day, and you don't need more than that. You see what I mean? Because here's the thing, today there are different paths that actually lead you to freedom, right? Different paths that you can use in order to make money. So there is not one single path, and actually the privilege that we have today is that we can choose the path that we want to use in order to actually reach our financial freedom, right? And why should we choose actually paths that we don't enjoy? So this is like, to be honest, the whole philosophy that I'm preaching every day inside my daily emails, to show you exactly how to do it. And if you want to get on my email list and get my daily tips regarding to that, then you have a link, the first link in the description. And this will actually help you if you have a passion, a skill, or expertise. And I'll show you exactly how you can turn that into a business in which you can only work 1 hour per day if you want, and make it a passive active income. You see what I mean? Because in today's world, what you have to understand is you have the freedom to choose to actually how do you want to make money, and you don't need to sacrifice your passion to pay for your food and shelter. So this is basically the big idea that I wanted to share with you today. So if you want to know more about that, my whole philosophy and how I actually can help you achieving that, then you have a link to my daily emails. You can click the first link in the description. And with that being said, I see you in the next video.